Hey, Indian crypto explorers! If you've been trying to dive into crypto trading but keep finding platforms that are overly complex, underwhelming, or just don't deliver, you're not alone. I've tested more than my fair share, and honestly, many either felt too technical or failed to live up to the promises. But then I came across something that truly stood out. It's called Immediate Neon. Now, this isn't just another flashy crypto tool. Immediate Neon is a fully AI-powered, automated trading platform built with Indian users in mind. It's designed to make crypto investing smarter, easier, and completely stress-free, even for those who are brand new to trading. Here's the exciting part. I've got access to a special invite link. When you use it to register, you'll unlock a private welcome bonus that's not available anywhere else. It's a limited time offer, exclusive for early users. So be sure to tap the link in the description to claim it. That early boost can make all the difference. What makes Immediate Neon such a game changer? It's completely hands-off. The AI scans global markets 24/7, pinpoints profitable trades, and executes them automatically on your behalf. There's no need to track charts, time your entries, or learn trading strategies. You just activate it and let it go to work. In terms of results, users are reporting daily earnings between $150 and $400, with some reaching up to 70% in monthly returns depending on market trends. While nothing is guaranteed, the point is clear. Once it's set up, you can generate real passive income without lifting a finger. Security and compliance are a top priority too. Immediate Neon follows strict regulatory standards, including KYC and AML protocols, and your data is protected with bank-level encryption. The platform runs on a secure cloud-based infrastructure that aligns with global best practices, giving you complete peace of mind. Getting started couldn't be easier. Immediate Neon connects directly to leading exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, so setup takes just minutes. Just link your wallet, activate the AI, and you're in business. And if you ever need help, there's a 24/7 India-based support team to guide you. Let me circle back to that invite link, because that's where the real edge comes in. When you register through the link in the description, you not only unlock access to all platform features, but also claim the exclusive welcome bonus, giving your trading journey a powerful start. More access, more features, better performance. One thing I really like, the AI behind Immediate Neon doesn't just react to the market. It learns and adapts in real time, thanks to advanced machine learning. It studies market shifts, improves over time, and adjusts its strategies, Massapfund, so the longer you use it, the smarter and more profitable it becomes. It also includes robust risk management tools. You can configure your own stop-loss limits, choose your risk tolerance, and even pick which cryptocurrencies you want the bot to trade. So even though it's automated, you stay in control. And again, these features become available right after you register via the exclusive link. And let me be crystal clear, Immediate Neon isn't some anonymous overseas operation. It's developed by a team that understands the Indian crypto space, regulatory expectations, and user needs. They even offer live onboarding sessions to help new users get started. A rare but welcome touch. So if you've been holding back, waiting for the right way to start trading crypto, this is it. With full automation, smart AI, powerful returns, and solid local support, Immediate Neon finally makes crypto investing work for you. Don't miss your shot. Click the link in the description, sign up, claim your welcome bonus, and start your journey with Immediate Neon, the intelligent, secure way to grow your crypto portfolio in India.